Today is day 373 of web dev, and it is also Wednesday, July 27, 2022. And I think today I'm just going to do something different, maybe like a login page. So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to go back to using forms, which I haven't used since literally day one of web dev. I did use one recently. I forgot where though. For the Netflix page that I was replicating. I used that for the little email subscriber thing. But that was just one thing. So I'm going to see if I can remember how to set up a form. So for the head, I'm going to do a meta tag, name, viewport, and then the content is going to be width is equal to device width. And then initial scale equals to 1.0. What this tag does, it's basically saying about the viewport, the width of the viewport has to be equal to the device width. And then the scale of it is going to be 1. So basically, if you are on your mobile device, the site right on your mobile device isn't going to be desktop view, but it's going to be mobile view. So that does that. It kind of helps with responsiveness. And then for the body, I'll just start with a div, label it with the class container. Oops. And then go here in my CSS and just target the container and give it a border property and the values 5 pixels black solid line border, and then height of 100 VH, vertical height of the screen, so that it has some height to it. And then I'm probably going to kind of zero out any default margin and padding that there is on the browser already. All right, and then for the container, I should leave that for later. So inside the container, I'm gonna have this card, I guess, and in the card, probably want to target that and then give it a border also. And then I'll probably want it to have a height of, 400 pixels and a width of 350 pixels. I'll be able to see that in a second. All right, that's fine. And then I want it to be in the center of the screen, and so I'll go to the container and give the container a display of flex so that everything inside of the container becomes a flex item, and therefore I can use flex properties such as justify content center, and that's going to center the card in the middle horizontally, and then align items center does it centers it vertically. So that's that. And then let's see, for the card inside, there's obviously going to be maybe like a logo, and then here's where the form stuff comes in. So I believe I have to have a form tag, and inside the form there's an input tag, and I don't know if there's a closing tag for the input, right? I don't even know. That's that, I guess. There's a label, I think. Is there a label tag? Right, okay, that's how it is. But I think over here, I can do placeholder. Actually, no, I'll leave it like that. And then I'll just do like username over here, and then over here put another one and call it password. And then for the input, I honestly forgot, like there's a name. Is there a type? Type equals email? I don't even know, I don't remember. It's okay, whatever. I'll just leave that there. And then okay, let me think. So I have the form, I have the logo, and then there's going to be, outside of it, I'm going to probably do a button, and I'll maybe do like login, right? And I think that's it, right? And then, okay, so now let me make it pretty. So in my CSS, for the card itself, I already did a card, I'll probably have everything, I don't know if I want it to be in the center. Let me think. If I give it a display of flex and I do justify content center, align items center, and then flex direction column so that they're all on top of each other, because flex direction is set to row by default. I mean, that looks pretty bad. How about I do form and do display block, because I'm assuming it's a display inline, so that the form, or not, okay. How about input? Okay, there we go. So I was assuming that input has a display of inline by default, so if I do block, then it wouldn't be in the same line. Alright, so that's good, I guess. And then maybe for the card H1, which is the logo, did I call it logo or H1? I don't even know. I can give it a margin margin from the top or from the bottom. Margin bottom, maybe 100 pixels. Oh, but then that affects the login, which is a problem. How about, let me think. How do I want to do this? I can go about making each thing like kind of like a grid. Right, so I have an H1, and then I have a form. Maybe for the form, margin, 20 pixels. Oh, that works better. Actually, no, it doesn't work better. Because, actually, you know what I can do? Yes, I'll do that. I'll do 100 pixels, right? But only, like that. Maybe do, no, that's going to be too much. Oops. But then that happens. That's a problem. Alright, so what's another way I could do this? Let me think. You know, it would help if everything had a border. So let me do that. Let me give everything a border. And then even the card A, I'll give it a border. Alright, so that's what's happening right now. So if I were to just get rid of this margin stuff, maybe get rid of the display, and I could just get rid of this stuff, and maybe I'll position everything relative to the card. Maybe that would work a little bit better. So I could do position, or I could just do text align center, and that goes in the center, which is perfect. Alright, so then for the form, I guess the form stuff, I can do display flex and then justify content center. Align items really isn't going to do anything because it's already at the center. And I don't think it's the form, but the, how weird. The input. Oh wow. What if I get rid of this? Oh, it's because, I'm so confused. It's because I didn't spell it right. So it's display flex. Let's see if that works. Yep, okay. And then flex direction, column, and then I can just get rid of this display inline over here. Where is the display? Okay, not block display. I mean, not inline display, block. Okay, get rid of that. And then, only thing though, I don't want, oh my god, this is so annoying. The labels, I don't want them to be in the middle. So, oh my god, this is like a mess. Alright, the labels, I wanted them to be, together. how about I just go here, right? And I make it into a div, and I do class, and I'll do like username, or just do class user, right? And then end that over here, and then do a class password, so pass or whatever, and end that, oops, over here. And then that way it works out that way. It's really pretty. Okay, that works better. And so let me think. So now they're together, which is really good, and that works. Okay, let me think, what else do I need? So input, I could also do margin, but actually I could do, that is literally horrible. Not margin, how about I just do dot user margin 50 pixels, right? And also not right. Okay, and then I'll also do dot pass margin 20 pixels. Okay, and then for the input, can I have a width of maybe, that's shorter, so maybe I want 300? Sure. No, I really want 200. Okay, I guess that's fine. And then height of, nope, definitely not 80 pixels. Nope. 30? I guess that works. And then I would like the username and the password. Do I want it to be in the middle, or do I want it to, I don't even know what I want it to have. Let me do the labels and give it a font size to go minimum, too small, too big. I guess. I don't know, it just ain't looking right. Oh, you know what I could do? I can give, what do you call it? The form itself? But the form isn't. Oh, actually it is. I can give it a height. No, it's not gonna work. Alright, how about, okay, that's working. Okay, so 500, see how that works. Too much, 300. Okay, that works better. The logo though can go down. Huh, where's the logo? This is very, very unorganized right now. The logo was .card1h1, right? Okay, so I can give that a margin of 20 pixels. Much better. And then I can go back here and give this a height, I don't know, of 250 pixels. Alright, and then that works that way. And then maybe what I can do is I can just bring in the A tag inside the form. So it's inside. That works a lot better. And then given that, I could just do 300, and that works out that way. Alright, and then now for the styling. So let me think. I just don't know if I like it. Let me look up some examples. Login page examples. I mean, I guess I could do that. Nah. You know what? What did I want to do? The width of the input to be larger so that I can have it at the top. And that makes much more sense. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. Alright, and then, do they have colons? No, right? Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the colons. over here in HTML, go back up. Now onto the styling. All right, so for the body, I'm gonna have a background of, I don't know what color. Let me go to colors to get a nice color, and I'll be right back when I find one. All right, so for the background, I decided to go with these two colors here, 1F0322 and then 8A1C7C, and then I went to CSS gradient and made a gradient, and it does it for me, so I could just copy to clipboard and then go back to where in the world is my stuff. Where's the, okay, right here. All right, and then just put that, paste that code into the body, and then the background should appear there. Now I'm just gonna go back to, oops, the card itself, and give that a certain background of that, and then now on to, what was I gonna do? The what do I call it? The, oh, the A tag, right? Okay. Where is the A tag? Right here. So for this one, background, I don't know what background I want to give it. Same thing. Alright, and then to remove the underline, I do text decoration, none, and then color, white, and then I always like to do a padding, 10 pixels top bottom, 20 pixels left and right, something like that. And then let me start getting rid of the border so I can get a sense of what I'm looking at here. Alright, and that's what it's looking like. The login could be a little bit lower though, so let me do myself a favor and find out where in the world that thing is. Hold on. H1 margin. Where's the login? Okay, it's this, right? Okay. Not the log. Well, yeah, that is the login. Okay. Let me get myself together. I'm trying to think. How do I get it to be lower? If I were to just go here, margin from the top 20 pixels, but then that affects the username stuff. Ugh. I mean, I think that's fine, right? Let me look at some examples. It's the full width though, so I guess I'll do that. Where is it again? Over here. So maybe I'll do width. Can I do 100%? It's not relative though. Oh, it does. How about 90? 80? Oh no, I wanted to give this the same percent as the form input. So where is that? The width is 300 pixels, so I'll just do 300 pixels. How is the form input 300 what the width is 300 pixels for the input, right? And so then if I put the A for 300 pixels, then why doesn't it show up as 300 pixels? Isn't that weird? 250? How weird. 280? Huh. I guess. And then I could just do text align center, put that in the center. Okay, now when I hover over it though, it's a different story. So when I do dot card A and it has a state of hover, I need the background to change its color, and I don't know what color to change it though, so that's an issue. Let's see, what color could I change it to? Can I do a reverse? How do I do a reverse? Can I put it up here? Nope. Okay. How about I switch these two values? Oh wait, how was it though? Oh, that's okay. So I can copy this and then paste that in there. So now when I hover over it, it inverses. Isn't that pretty? Although, That's fine. And then everything else is fine except the logo. What am I gonna do for the logo? Maybe, let me think. What could this be? Maybe like a business name. Ooh, admin. That works. Okay. Let me see if I could get some nice fonts here. Google Fonts. You know what? Maybe fonts for login page. Let's see. I think I have, maybe what I can do is I can just, okay, the body should be first always, or at least second to everything. Okay, maybe I can do a font size, not font size, font family. Is Roboto 1? Do I have to put it in quotation marks? Did I even spell it right? What about Montserrat's? I don't even know how to spell these fonts, honestly. How do I spell it? Let me go back. I know that this one's one, right? Okay, I know for a fact though. Okay, hold on. CSS. Okay, how about available fine, CSS, yes. Are you serious? That's it? Oh my god, I thought Roboto or Montserrat was at least there. I mean, at least I remember using those. Or maybe that was on Replit. I don't even remember. Okay. I guess we're gonna have to go from here. Okay. Roboto. I guess we could just take that one and then I can add the regular 400 if that's here, right? Regular 400, add that over here. Go to the link, copy the link, go to my code pen, put that link in my HTML inside the head tags, and then what am I doing again? Oh yeah, okay. Copying the font family. Where is it? Okay, CSS, and for the body, font family, paste it in there. Okay, let's see. Ew, I don't like it. It looks weird. Does it look weirder? I feel like it looks weirder. This one looks more professional. And then no, I don't know. I don't like it. How about, let's explore some other ones. How about Montserrat? I don't even know how to pronounce it. Montserrat. Regular 400. Let me go back up here. Copy this. Where's my stuff? I literally never know where my tabs are. Alright, delete the link. Where's the link? Okay, right here. Paste it in there. Go back here. Copy the CSS. Go back here, and then for the body, let's see if that's better. I guess. You know what I just realized? Hold on, let me see if it's better without it. Honestly, I think that's better. Actually, no, I don't even know. Whatever, I'm gonna leave it as Montserrat. And then though, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna give some margin between the label and the input itself. So margin, bottom 10 pixels. That literally did nothing. Okay, so if that doesn't work, then how about there we go, but that's too much. Okay, that's a little bit better. Alright, I think I like that. Alright, it's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna save that, and then let me see how it looks like over here. Hopefully the size is not, okay, that's perfect. Isn't it beautiful? So I can write my username, like Sarai Malte, and J, and then my password. Oh no, it's not a password thing, so I can fix that. Hold on, I remember this. No, actually I don't. I remember of it, but not exactly how to do it. So can I do type password? There we go. Yay! So I did remember. Okay, now it's password. So now I can write my username and then my password. Beautiful. And then log in, which is gonna bring me nowhere. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. I think that's it for today. Is it responsive? Yeah, it is. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, that's it for today. Bye.